Now let's talk about taking in the upper cup up top. Okay, we see a lot of examples where if you have extreme measurable differences between your upper bust and your rib cage, or otherwise known as your underbust, particularly if the sizing convention or the fitting convention is get the band fitted first, you will typically have to make some adjustments to the upper cup. And if you've been sewing for a while, it's no different than any other slash and spread or slash and overlap method. Okay, some examples are if you brought in your bridge, it may pull a little on the upper cup. If the upper cup is like this and you brought the bridge in 1/4 of an inch, it may pull here, meaning you need just a tad more room in the upper cup because you tightened it up. And it's the rule of if you tighten up in one place, you got to relax in another place. So if you find some pulling here and you need to open up a little bit, it is simple as slash and spread. And determine which side you want to do this on. Personally, I would not mess with the apex line at all. So if I'm going to slash and spread the upper cup, I may do it over here by the strap area, the power bar area, or I'll do it over here by the bridge area. Okay. So basically, let's say we want to loosen it up and just provide more room, about 1/4 inch. Remember, a little goes a long way. Okay, and we want to slash all the way down to a hinge. Okay, so it just hinges out just a little. So let's hinge it out 1/4. Okay, and that's where it'll sit. Put a piece of paper underneath there and tape it. Okay, let's get our 1/4 marked. Okay, there's our 1/4 right there. Make sure we get it taped. Of course, I left my tape on the other side. Tape it down. Now you did not disturb this line, so just connecting it is the only thing you have to do there. And you've got 1/4 inch more room, and that should relax. And of course you want to do this on both sides. That should relax this area. But just hinge it. You did not disturb this line here. You didn't disturb the lower cup line, and you didn't disturb the wire line. Okay, hope that helps.